Hey there, young scientists. Welcome back to STEM Science, where learning is fun and science comes to life. Today, we're diving into a microscopic world filled with invisible creatures that can be both super helpful and sometimes a little scary. Can you guess what they are? Yup, we're talking about microbes. Microbes, or microorganisms, are tiny living things that are too small to be seen with our eyes alone. But don't let their size fool you, they are everywhere. In the air, in water, in the soil, and even inside your own body. To see them, scientists use powerful microscopes. Now let's meet the 5 main groups of microbes and discover what makes each one unique.
First up, bacteria. These are single-celled microbes that come in all shapes. Rods, spirals, and round like balls. Some bacteria are friendly, like the ones in your tummy that help you digest food. But others can make you sick, like the bacteria that cause strep throat or food poisoning. Fun fact: there are more bacteria in your mouth than people on Earth.
Next up, viruses. Viruses are even smaller than bacteria and can't live on their own. They need to enter our body's cells to multiply. Out of the host body, they are non-living. Viruses cause diseases like the common cold, polio, COVID, flu, and chickenpox. That's why they are called tiny infectious particles. Question for you. Can you think of a virus we protect ourselves from with vaccines? Hint, it starts with C. Oh yes, COVID-19.
Now meet the fungi. Yes, mushrooms are fungi. But some fungi are microbes. Like yeast, penicillium, and mold. Some fungi help us bake fluffy bread and pizza, while others break down dead plants. But watch out, some fungi can also cause skin infections, like athlete's foot and ringworm. Some fungi cause diseases even in plants, for example rust on leaves and smut.
Say hello to the protozoa, tiny, animal-like microbes that live in water. Some move with little tails or hair-like parts, and they can eat other microbes. Some protozoa are harmless, but others can cause diseases like malaria. Fun fact: one protozoan called amoeba can change shape. It's like a shape-shifting blob.
Finally, we have algae. These plant-like microbes can make their own food using sunlight, just like plants do. They are mostly found in water and come in many colors: green, red, and brown. Some algae are tiny, while others can grow really long like seaweed. Fun fact: scientists estimate photosynthesizing algae produce around 70% of all atmospheric oxygen.
Let's see what you remember. Ready? I'll describe a microbe, you shout out the answer. Which microbe needs a host to survive? Yes, virus. Which one helps bread rise? That's right, fungi. Which microbe lives in water and acts like an animal? Protozoa, you got it. Which one helps make oxygen in water? Awesome, algae. Which microbe is shaped like a spiral or rod? Bacteria, smart thinking.
Great job today. You just explored the 5 main groups of microbes and their amazing characteristics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to STEM Science for more fun science adventures.